Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be setting up our new bed. It just came in the mail. I am about to take all of this bedding off and just kind of clear the space out. This bed comes with two sets of legs. You have the silver and it comes with gold as well. I want my bed to be a tad bit higher, so I went ahead and ordered the 7 inches. All right, so this is the headboard. You know what, let me just go ahead and put it in the room so you guys can get a really good look at it. But it is so beautiful. I love it, and I love the color. It's just right, velvet, very luxe.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. And loving the for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk, I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. And loving the for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
So what you see me doing right now is struggling to tighten the screws. I purchased separate legs for this bed because the original legs are too short and I wanted the headboard to be higher. So I got some new legs off of Amazon in the same style as the original legs, but some of the holes aren't lining up with the holes on the headboard. As you can see, they made some of the holes smaller, which is the problem. My husband was able to fix this issue for me. He used a drill bit that cuts through metal to enlarge the holes, and it worked. Sorry I don't have any footage of it.
some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
Alright, so I have the bed set up. I did not use the center support rails because they are not long enough now that the legs on this bed are higher. Instead of putting the center support and like the slates that comes with this bed, I am going to put the bed frame in here. Hopefully this works, but I'm going to see if the bed frame is going to fit, and I can just put the box springs and my mattress back. And I mean, I really want my bed to be higher. I don't too much care for the platform level of the bed. I feel like it's just too low for me. So if I can still use my box springs and the mattress, that'll be great. So I'm going to try that. You cannot use a box spring and a mattress on the original like bed frame that comes with the bed, because then your mattress is going to be so high, it's probably going to be higher than your nightstands, and it's just not going to look right. So I'm just going to do away with those and try to do this right now. It's not going in. I am going to have to remove this side rail so that this bed frame can just slide right in there. Yeah, all I have to do is remove one, but I might have to remove both. to get the box springs in, but I'm just going to remove one for now and see.
If you could look into my eyes, you'd see why I am hypnotized. Oh, you get drunk with this siren high from all the things your dirty mind wants. You wanna see what's deep inside and take you for a mighty ride. Oh, you get stoned from all fire and blind from all the things your dirty mind wants. Out of my mind, yeah.
Okay, so I cannot believe that worked. I'm so happy right now. Whew. Now I don't have 2 box springs and a bed frame just hanging out in my office because I was able to fit it in here. Only issue with doing it this way is the legs from that bed frame showing. Like you can see it, but I mean, it's not a big deal. You can get a bed skirt and just put it on here before you put your mattress on, and you won't see the legs, but you will see the bed skirt. So that's an option, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Maybe I'll get a bed skirt and use that to hide the legs, but for now I'm not gonna worry about it. I was able to use these box springs in my original bed frame, and it's still sturdy. It's not like the bed is gonna be all wobbly and loose or anything. It's still pretty sturdy, and you have the mattress that's gonna go on top, so your bed isn't gonna move around, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright guys, I am done for now. I know it's kind of dark. The light coming in from the window is making it hard to see. My camera is trying to auto adjust the lighting. Let me come over here. Okay. Alright, there we go. So this is the bed. Love the color, love the turnout. I'm still waiting for some items to come in the mail. Still trying to decide as far as the curtains. I think I'm gonna do white. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I will have this bed linked. You can find it on Wayfair. That's the only place I know of that's selling it. I was searching for it on Amazon, but I cannot find it on Amazon at all. But yeah, I will have it linked in the description box if you want to get your hands on it. They have more colors. They have navy blue. I believe they have like a pink, like a blush color, and they have ivory. But I really love this gray. So that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.